I'm Kensani Maranele with your news update. In your headlines, fuel prices set to hike. Bason's trial postponed. Petrol will increase by a whopping 73 cents per litre for 93-octane petrol in the interior next Wednesday. The coastal hike will be 68 cents a litre. For 95-octane motorists, they'll have to cough up 71 cents a litre inland and 66 cents a litre at the coast. The Energy Department says the new price will include the 28 cents a litre announced by Finance Minister Pravin Gordhan for the fuel levy and the Road Accident Fund. The Health Profession Council's inquiry into alleged unethical conduct involving chemical and biological warfare expert Wouter Bason has been postponed until September 25. Bason is facing 4 charges, including his alleged participation in the manufacturing of mandrax and ecstasy, tear gas disorientation substances for cross-border operation, and cyanide capsules. Bason has told the inquiry that the drugs were made for research purposes and never used. Former Surgeon General of the Defence Force Neil Noble is expected to continue his evidence when the inquiry resumes. The Constitutional Court has shut the door on an appeal by Cape Judge President John Hlophe against the reopening of misconduct hearing against him. The Supreme Court of Appeal had ruled that the JSC had to re-investigate complaints lodged against Hlophe by members of the Constitutional Court in 2008. Constitutional Court judges complained that Hlophe had tried to influence their decision in a corruption case involving President Jacob Zuma. In a unanimous judgment, the court found that Hlophe had exhausted his case in the appeals court. Chief Justice Mogoeng.
The dismissal of the applications will result in the continuance of the process before the JSC and will not in itself amount to a finding against the Judge President on the substance of the complaints. We hold that these considerations mitigate the threat of injustice. In the circumstances, we conclude that it is in the interest of justice that leave to appeal should be denied.
The Right to Know campaign has told Parliament that the Protection of State Information Bill falls woefully short on safeguards to avoid South Africa becoming a society of secrets. Coordinator of the pressure group, Murray Hunter, was addressing a final day of public hearings on the draft law. Hunter says by attempting to trump the Progressive Promotion of Access to Information Act, the bill will rob South Africans of a post-apartheid guarantee to access state information. Public Protector Thuli Madonsela has told the National Council of Provinces that her work will be severely hampered by the bill.